Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and you all are also enjoying the learning from our playlist of previous year question series of each chapter in CBSE class 10 physics. Now I brought you one more video. In this video, I am going to show you a breadboard or we also call it as project board. Using this, connections can be made very simple. Whichever connection we want to make, we can make it very simple. Before going to the connections, I want to explain to you how this is made of. Here, you can see here, there are so many holes, correct? Whenever we want to connect any equipment, resistance, battery, anything we want to connect, we can connect to these holes. How to connect to this hole? Suppose we have a resistance here. Let us imagine we have a resistance here. Okay, we want to connect this resistance. How to connect this resistance? Just hold this one and bend this one like this. Where you want to connect, you can keep into this hole. These all are holes. These all are small holes and these all will be connected like this. We can connect the resistance like this. Like this. We can insert this into these holes. Okay, like this we can insert. Now what is the thing we need to know? Here, which are all present here, these four holes, whether you want to connect to in these 1, 2, 3, 4, see? In these 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all 5 holes will be same connection and these all 5 holes will be of same connection and these 5 holes horizontally will be same connection. Okay, you may be getting confused, but I'll give you one clarity first of all, that all these are shorted, and to understand whether they are shorted or not, you should be knowing the testing of multimeter. If you don't know the testing of multimeter, then you will not understand. To know to know how to use multimeter, we have already created videos on this one on usage of multimeter. Go to our playlist experimental learning and watch that video. So now see here, but I'll explain to you shortly. When we keep these two terminals anywhere, see here like this, if that sound comes from the multimeter, it means that those two are short circuited. I'll give you one more example. See, I took a wire here, small wire. Okay, I will join this wire to one terminal of the multimeter. Okay, and one more terminal is there, right? I'll connect to this one. See, like this. If this is connected, means those both are connected, then the sound will come. If these are not connected, then sound will not come. So now if you look at here, see here, these 5 are there, right? First look at neatly, I am placing on the same line, this one, see, correct? And like that, means all these 5 are connected, but these are not connected horizontally, only vertically. Now if you see, I'll keep this one here and I'll keep here. Anywhere you keep, sound will not come. Anywhere you keep, sound will not come. Horizontally they are not connected, they are connected only vertically. Okay na? But if I keep here again, see once, okay, so these all which are present here, these 5 are working as a same point, these 5 are working as same point, these 5 are working as same point, these 5 are working as same point. In the same way, this 5 also, this 5 also, this 5 also, these are connected vertically. Which are present above and down, these are connected horizontally. So now see here, I'll place this one here, sound is coming. See, sound is coming. See, sound is coming. Sound is coming. Now sound is not coming, see. Means These five are connected. These five are connected. See, I'll keep down now. Sound is coming. Means these five are connected. These five are connected. Again, these five are connected, and these five are connected. Again, these five and these five are connected. So like that, I'll give you a short. I hope you understood. Now let us connect a circuit diagram. Imagine that you want to connect a circuit diagram like this. Okay. You want to connect a circuit diagram like this. I'll take three resistances first. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So now let us connect these resistances like this. If you want to connect three resistances like that, then what do you need to do? You have to connect here. These five are connected, no? So you connect one terminal here and another terminal anywhere. One resistance connected. Now this resistance we have to connect. This resistance should be connected to this terminal only, correct? This terminal only. If we don't have this board, project board, we have to either do soldering or we have to do physical connection. As we have this project board, we can keep this one here. See, these five are connected. See, these five lines are connected, correct? If you wanted to connect this one to this one, you can keep this one here also. This resistance can be kept here also. These two are shorted, no? All these five are shorted. All these five are working at same point. So these two are connected again now. Now third resistance, this resistance. I can keep here third point. See. Like this we can connect. So this connection is this connection. Now I want to connect in this form. Means all the resistances one side should be connected to one point only, correct? I'll remove all the resistances now. Removed, correct? Now let us connect one resistance. I'll connect here and I'll connect here. Clear. So this one also should be connected to the same terminals. These five are shorted, so we can keep connect this one also. Here only down hole which is there only we can connect. Connected. And a third one also. Like this, see, no? Three resistances connected to the three. See, like this. Now let us try to connect this circuit diagram. Means middle resistance I will remove, correct? No, I will remove the middle resistance. Now these two are connected. I have to connect the middle resistance to the one more. From here I can connect it to any terminal. Like this, you know. Like this we can connect. So now let us verify one thing. These three are connected. These two are connected parallelly. This is in series to this one. When we connected like this, all these three should be connected in parallel. When we connected like this, all these three should be connected in series. Let us what to verify now. Let us suppose this one is R. This equivalent resistance will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here equivalent resistance will be, imagine that R equal resistance only, R. Then equivalent resistance will be R by 3. Here equivalent resistance will be 3R. Whether we are going to get the value this 3R and R by 3 or not, if we use the same resistance and we connect like this, whether we are going to get same resistance R by 3 3R or not, we will verify in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.